Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Gajela Conrad ke sangma habakren cekilat pathai kubor hadian kajingelang ka kinhun menteri uloang ban Pyntreikam ya ka uniform civil code da ka bapin ya ringkat lang ya ka rukom im jong baro kalong ka bamla long Henry lada Pyntreikam da ka bapin ya pher na ka wei ka jaj ben rio sha ka wei pat kalong ka bala ban pediang uloang banamar ka ri India ka don bun ki jaj ben rio kumta ban shu pelong kumju ya baro ka bamla ban long Henry kade ban penlong kumju kat kum kikam. Kumta uloong bana kalyang ka Sorkar jela kamdon ya ka Jingthmu ban wanra ya ka nie ka an namar ba ka hap ban Burom ya ka jinget jong Kiwei bat ban Burom ru ya baro kijat ben rio.
What this entire thing is about. There are two parts to it. One is the concept itself, that uniform civil code, the whole thought process of what a uniform civil code is. And then a bill or an act that defines what is in uniform and what is not uniform. So these are two different things which you have to look at. You cannot put both together. Why? Because a uniform civil code as a concept of making sure that everything becomes uniform is not possible in India, because again there are tribal communities, there are different kind of communities, indigenous communities who have their practices, and it may not align with the government, with the other communities and the uniformity that maybe some people would want. So therefore, that concept to impose it on every aspect of life and every community and everything uniform may not be possible, because it's not correct, as I said. But uniform in certain aspects and keeping certain communities out, like for example Uttarakhand has clearly mentioned that tribal communities and their practices are not part of the Uniform Civil Code in Uttarakhand. So like that. So now if you bring a bill that, as I keep repeating, at the national level or at the state level, and say that, that the whole country will become matrilineal from now on, I think Meghalaya would support that bill, because we are a matrilineal society. So it depends on the content of the bill, what is going to be uniform and what way it's going to be uniform. So it's premature for us to talk about that. For us, as a state government, we are very clear that Uniform Civil Code is not in our agenda to bring in a Uniform Civil Code. We respect the secular fabric of the state, of the country and in the state. We respect the identity of our different tribal communities, and we are very clear that the protection of these practices of the different communities must be respected.